Hello and welcome everyone to this tutorial on how to start your voice practice, especially when you don't have any idea where to begin. Here's your favorite Balkan Tutti teacher with some essential vocal advices for everyone. And feel free to sing along today and later ask anything in the comments. And really, my accent is the least intimidating part of me. It's my skill to comprehend your singing fears that truly stands out. After this tutorial, you'll be ready to sing your favorite song like a boss. My name is Mia, and as a vocalist and piano teacher with 14 years of experience, I want to help you make the best out of your voice and learn not to depend only on your talent, but on your firm skills. I'm thrilled that you're here, so let's dive in with confidence. So here we go. First part, body. Why should we start with the body? Because you are the instrument. Are we going to lay on the couch and sing? No. Now the question is, how should you prepare your body for this warm-up? By being childish. But before we start jumping around the room and shaking it off, like Taylor Swift, let's do the tapping exercise. What's that? Tap your body with your hands. This will improve our circulation and release also some stress. Now, when tapping around your head and face, use your fingertips and apply less pressure. So start with the top of your head and end with your feet. Now let's do it together. Lightly tap your skull, forehead, cheeks, chin, and this will help stimulate your blood flow and your facial muscles. We really do need them. Then continue to neck and shoulders. Move your tapping down to your neck and shoulders and gently tap these areas to ease tension. Here you can also start and use your whole palms. Chest and torso are the next one. Continue tapping on your chest and torso, paying attention to your heart and lung areas. Then slowly move on to your arms and hands. Tap along your arms from the shoulders to your fingertips. Then continue to your back. If you can comfortably reach your back, then tap along your upper, middle, and lower back. And tap on your hips, thighs, knees, calves, and then ankles. This helps promote circulation in your lower body. And finally, tap on your feet, starting from the soles and moving up to your toes. Now it's time to get childish and jump around the room. No, I really mean it. Shake everything off. I'm sure that felt great. Just like hitting that high note where it's not written in the score. Let's move to the next part. Chapter 2. Breath. Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing. And learn how to engage your diaphragm to support your voice effectively. Breathe for the purpose of just filling your body with air. Take a long breath in and a long breath out. Feel what's moving. Feel your chest, your rib cage, your back, your diaphragm. To feel it even better, sit down and fold your body downward in front. Can you feel it? Do you feel your back now? Awesome. Let's continue. It's time for our first real exercise. S through the teeth. Now stand up slowly and do the following exercise. Take a long exhale through your teeth on an S sound to the point your body starts shaking because it wants to inhale, and then when you reach that point of life force not letting you give up on this life-suffering episode, that was deep. Inhale and feel your lungs filling up with air. Let your belly drop, don't control it, just feel it happening. At that moment your body will take the breath in the most effective way. It's time for that deep breath you've been waiting for. When inhaling, don't pull your shoulders up. Keep them down, which means you have to let that belly drop. I know, you don't like that, but let it drop Stop hiding. And while doing it, try to engage your back and rib cage muscles by not letting them collapse too quickly. Avoid the following. Try to do it like this. Now let's do it together 3 times. You can repeat it even more often.
Disclaimer.
When you sing, you don't need as much air. In real singer life, a little air will go a long way. Last exercise of this breath segment will be essing out the funk out of that diaphragm. This will teach you where the diaphragm is in your body and how to engage it while singing by keeping it flexible. It has to be engaged, but not stiff. This is how the exercise goes. Inhale a little bit of air.
And remember the previous exercise. Keep your shoulders down, move your ribcage and back muscles.
And in short exhales, let the air out, pronouncing the consonant S. Don't push your belly inward. This happens on its own, so no need to interfere. Let the body do its thing, like this. Place your hand above your belly button, underneath your breast, to feel your engagement of your diaphragm. Now, let's do it together 3 times. Awesome. Finally, let's start with the next part and our last part, vocal warm-up exercises. But before we do, just 2 important
Disclaimers.
hydration. While practicing, don't forget to drink some water to stay hydrated. Your oral cavity and body will cooperate much better. Vocal rest. Take some pauses between the exercises if you feel you need it, and consider this a must if you repeat exercises. So, vocal warm-up chapter. First, we'll start with our N exercise. We are going to sing on an N sound. Try to sing the notes along the upper palate and make a lot of room in your nasal cavities. Something like yawning feeling, but be careful. It's only the beginning part of the yawn where everything in your oral and nasal cavities moves upwards, not the second part of yawning where everything sinks down. This is how the exercise looks. Now, let's do it together in a comfortable dynamic. Men,
A disclaimer.
sing this exercise in your range, an octave lower. Let's start. Awesome. Move it up. Do you feel your nasal cavities? Don't push it. No straining. Awesome. Awesome. Let's continue to our second vocal warm-up. R. Tongue roll. You're going to roll that Spanish R. Place your tongue behind your upper teeth and sing 2 notes up and down, like this. Now let's do it together. Not too loud, and also do it in a comfortable octave. Here's our first note, and now let's start. Does it tickle? Move it into nose. You should feel it tingling. A bit childish like. Downwards. Awesome. Continue. Don't relax your facial muscles. Do you feel your cheeks? Awesome. Continue. Awesome. Here's our last exercise. After this, you're ready to sing. Cats in April, or nya exercise. Focus on resonance and vibration in your facial muscles, especially those around and in your nose. So place the sound in your nose like this. Nya, 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 nya. And now you understand why it's called Cats in April. It shouldn't sound particularly nice. Let's start. Nya, 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 nya. Awesome. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. In your nose. Nya, 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 nya. A bit childish. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. Awesome. Don't do it too loud. Awesome. Continue. Bravo. Once more. And downwards. Nya, 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 nya. Yes. Nya, 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 nya. Awesome. Continue. Nya, 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 nya. Now you. Awesome. Once more. Awesome. Let's do it together. Nya, 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 nya. Hear it. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. Now without me. And last one. Awesome. Yay! You've successfully reached the end of this comprehensive guide on how to kickstart your voice practice. Kudos to your commitment. Remember, the secret sauce to improvement lies in consistent practice. So keep that momentum going and let your voice shine in its newfound brilliance. Next week, get ready to put all your freshly acquired knowledge into action. We'll be diving into the thrilling world of song interpretation with none other than Dancing Queen from the iconic Mamma Mia musical. Don't miss out, hit that like button and turn on notifications to stay in the loop. Remember, if something doesn't work immediately, it doesn't mean you should give up. It means you should keep practicing. It's never a defeat, always a lesson. See you next week. Ciao!